Da 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 da.
Ha there.
What can I do for you, my fine fellow?
I'm Peter the Pirate, and I've lost my parrot. She's called the Pearl, and I don't feel very much like a pirate without her on my shoulder.
My friend, I'm the best man for the job. I am a detective of lost pets. I will find that parrot for you.
Well, thank you, kind sir.
Let's see. Let me think about this myself. Well, if I were a pirate parrot, where would I go? Why didn't I think of that before? Parrots love boats and ships. Because she loves them, she would probably go down to the dock. I'll take a ride down to the dock, and I bet I'll find her. I'm right. I see a blue feather right there on the gangplank. Oh, that's a beautiful cruise ship it's on.
How can I be your assistant?
Well, sir, I am a pet detective on the lookout for Pearl the Parrot.
Why? She's on her perch in the gallery.
Well, thank you, sir. I'm on my way right now. Oh, I see. Well, there you are, Pearl. I'm glad I could find you. But before I take you back to Peter the Pirate, I think I'm going to sit down here and partake in that fine dinner that's in the fine gallery.
Well, thank you, kind sir.
Well, my friends, another case solved by Sir Beagle, the pet detective.
This has been a Fizzle Tunes presentation.